Welcome and thank you for taking the time to join me. I'm Dr. Chris Borg, a chiropractor at Provolution Health. Today we're diving into the importance of the Denneroll, a powerful tool for correcting and maintaining the natural curves of your spine. So a Denneroll is a specialized spinal orthotic device designed to restore and maintain the natural curvature of your spine. It's based on chiropractic BioPhysics, known as CBP, principles, which are evidence-based protocols focused on optimizing posture and spinal alignment through chiropractic care. There are several types of Dennerolls, each uniquely shaped to target different regions of the spine. So you've got the cervical, the thoracic, and the lumbar Denneroll. These devices have been precisely designed with fulcrums that provide stability and effectiveness, allowing chiropractors to tailor their use to each specific spinal need. So the Denneroll works by creating a stretch phenomenon in the ligaments and muscles surrounding the spine. With consistent use, this leads to ligament remodeling and improved proprioception. So your body's ability to sense where it is in space. So over time, these changes help restore the natural spinal curves. So improving posture, improving movement, and improving overall function. By rebalancing the forces across your spine, the Denneroll helps reduce tension, discomfort, and dysfunction, and allowing you to feel and move better in your daily life. So one of the most common questions I get is, how long should I use the Denneroll for? So research indicates that to achieve the best results, you should gradually build up to 20 minutes of use per day. Choosing the right Denneroll and ensuring its correct placement is not a one-size-fits-all approach. A chiropractor must first analyze your x-rays to determine the specific area of misalignment and tailor a corrective plan to address the root cause that are creating limitations in your health and expression of life. So at Provolution Health, we specialize in identifying how your spinal health may be limiting your overall well-being. So don't wait until discomfort turns into a bigger issue. Take action today. Contact Provolution Health now to schedule an appointment and discover how corrective spinal care can transform your health and your life.